Drivers repeat these tiny mistakes every single day without even realizing it, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what they are, so you can stop them before they cost you thousands. 15. Follow the owner's manual. Most people treat their car's owner manual like decoration. Big mistake. Your manufacturer didn't guess those service intervals. They tested that engine for thousands of hours, whether it's oil grade, tire pressure, coolant type, or transmission service schedule. Following the manual prevents premature wear. Modern engines are engineered with tight tolerances. Using the wrong oil, viscosity can reduce lubrication efficiency and increase internal friction. That leads to faster component breakdown over time. Simple? Yes. Powerful? Absolutely. 14. Change engine oil before it's too late. Oil isn't just lubrication, it's protection, cooling, and cleaning combined. Over time, engine oil collects dirt, fuel residue, and microscopic metal particles. Even synthetic oil degrades. Once it breaks down, internal components like pistons, crankshaft bearings, and camshafts experience metal-on-metal wear. Most modern cars recommend oil changes between 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers, or 3,000 to 6,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. Short trips, heavy traffic, and extreme temperatures require more frequent changes. Skipping oil changes is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. 13. Warm the engine. Old cars needed long warm-ups. Modern fuel-injected engines don't. Instead of idling for 10 minutes, start the engine and drive gently for the first few minutes. This warms up engine oil, transmission fluid, and differential components faster and more evenly. Long idling wastes fuel and can cause carbon buildup. Gentle driving allows parts to expand properly and reduces cold start wear, which is when most engine damage actually occurs. 12. Keep tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance. That means the engine works harder, fuel economy drops, and suspension components wear out faster. Overinflated tires reduce grip and cause uneven tread wear. Incorrect tire pressure can reduce tire life by up to 25%. And increase braking distance. Check pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Proper inflation protects not just tires, but wheel bearings, suspension joints, and alignment components too. 11. Don't ignore the check engine light. That little glowing light, it's not decoration. Modern vehicles use onboard diagnostics, OBD systems, to monitor emissions, fuel mixture, sensors, and ignition systems. Ignoring it can turn a small sensor problem into catalytic converter damage, which can cost thousands. Even a loose gas cap can trigger it. But guessing is dangerous. Scan it early. Fix it early. Save money. 10. Replace air filters regularly. Your engine breathes air just like you do. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, reducing combustion efficiency. That means poor fuel economy, reduced power, and carbon buildup inside the engine. Replacing a dirty air filter can improve acceleration and maintain optimal fuel mixture ratios. It's one of the cheapest maintenance tasks, yet one of the most ignored. 9. Protect the cooling system. Engines generate extreme heat. Without coolant, they overheat in minutes. Coolant doesn't just prevent overheating, it prevents corrosion inside the radiator, water pump, and engine block. Over time, coolant breaks down and loses protective additives. Most manufacturers recommend replacing coolant every 2 to 5 years. An overheated engine can warp cylinder heads, blow head gaskets, and crack engine blocks. Cooling system maintenance is engine life insurance. 8. Brake. Smoothly, not aggressively. Hard braking stresses not just brake pads, but rotors, suspension bushings, and tires. Aggressive braking generates excessive heat, which can warp brake discs and reduce stopping efficiency. Driving smoothly, maintaining safe distance, and anticipating traffic reduces mechanical stress across multiple systems. Your car lasts longer when you drive smarter. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, I do some of these, but the next 7 tricks? That's where most drivers quietly destroy their cars without even realizing it. Let's go deeper. 7. Service the transmission. Transmission repairs are among the most expensive fixes in any vehicle. Automatic transmission fluid lubricates gears, cools components, and enables hydraulic pressure shifts. Over time, fluid degrades and collects debris. Delayed shifting, slipping, or jerking often means fluid is already compromised. Many manufacturers recommend transmission fluid service between 40,000 to 100,000 kilometers depending on vehicle type. Preventive maintenance costs far less than a rebuild. What most drivers don't realize is that transmission fluid also contains detergents and friction modifiers that break down with heat. Once fluid loses its viscosity, and internal clutches and bands begin to wear faster, towing heavy loads, aggressive driving, or frequent stop-and-go traffic accelerates this breakdown. Ignoring early symptoms can turn a simple fluid service into a complete transmission replacement costing thousands. 6. Keep the battery healthy. The extreme heat and cold shorten battery life. Terminals reduce electrical efficiency. A weak battery stresses the alternator and starter motor. Clean terminals regularly. Check voltage annually. Replace before complete failure. Most car batteries last 3 to 5 years. Electrical health supports every modern system in your vehicle. Modern cars rely heavily on electronics, from engine control modules to sensors, infotainment systems, and safety features. A weak battery can cause erratic behavior, warning lights, and starting issues long before it fully dies. Heat speeds up internal chemical reactions, causing faster degradation, while cold reduces cranking power. Regular voltage testing and keeping connections tight ensures consistent electrical flow and prevents unexpected roadside breakdowns. 5. Wash your car, especially underneath. Rust doesn't start loud, it starts silently. Road salt, mud, and moisture attack the undercarriage, brake lines, and suspension arms. Corrosion weakens structural integrity over time. Regular washing, especially after rainy seasons or dusty conditions, protects metal components. Paint protection also prevents body corrosion. Clean cars don't just look good, they last longer. What many drivers don't realize is that modern vehicles still use steel in critical structural areas. Once rust penetrates protective coatings, it spreads beneath the surface and becomes expensive to repair. Undercarriage corrosion can damage fuel lines, exhaust systems, and even mounting points. A simple rinse underneath once or twice a month can prevent thousands in long-term structural repairs. 4. Avoid short trips. Whenever possible, short drives are surprisingly damaging. When you drive only 2 to 3 kilometers, the engine doesn't reach optimal operating temperature. Moisture inside the engine doesn't evaporate fully, leading to sludge buildup. Frequent short trips accelerate oil contamination and reduce battery charging efficiency. If possible, combine errands into longer drives occasionally to allow systems to fully warm up. Cold starts are when engines experience the most internal wear because oil hasn't fully circulated yet. Repeated short trips multiply that stress. Fuel dilution can also occur, where unburned fuel mixes with engine oil, thinning its protective properties. Taking the car for a 20 to 30 minute drive occasionally allows oil to reach full temperature and burn off harmful condensation. 3. Maintain proper wheel alignment. Misalignment causes uneven tire wear and stresses suspension joints. If your steering pulls to one side or the steering wheel isn't centered, alignment may be off. Driving with poor alignment increases fuel consumption and reduces tire lifespan significantly. Alignments are relatively inexpensive compared to replacing 4 tires prematurely. Even a small misalignment of a few millimeters changes how your tires contact the road. This creates uneven tread patterns like feathering or excessive edge wear. Over time, that imbalance puts strain on tie rods, ball joints, and wheel bearings. Hitting potholes, curbs, or speed bumps at high speed can knock alignment out instantly, so checking it annually is smart preventive maintenance. 2. Use quality fuel and fluids. Cheap fuel with inconsistent additives can increase carbon deposits in fuel injectors and intake valves. Using manufacturer-recommended fuel grade ensures proper combustion timing. Similarly, always use approved brake fluid, coolant, and transmission fluid types. Modern engines are precision machines. Wrong fluids create long-term damage. High-quality fuels contain detergent additives that help keep injectors clean and maintain efficient spray patterns. Poor combustion leads to knocking, reduced efficiency, and long-term engine deposits. The same applies to fluids. Incorrect coolant can cause corrosion, wrong brake fluid can absorb moisture faster, and improper transmission fluid can affect shifting performance. Saving a little up front often costs much more later. 1. Drive it regularly. Cars that sit unused for long periods develop dried seals, flat-spotted tires, and degraded fluids. But aggressive driving also shortens life. The secret? Drive consistently. Avoid redline acceleration unless necessary. Let the engine breathe, but don't abuse it. Smooth acceleration, steady cruising, and regular movement keep seals lubricated and systems functioning properly. Your driving habits are the single biggest factor in your car's lifespan. Vehicles are engineered for movement. When driven regularly, oil circulates, seals stay flexible, and batteries remain properly charged. But harsh acceleration, constant high RPM driving, and sudden braking increase mechanical stress and heat buildup. Studies consistently show that smooth drivers experience fewer major repairs over time. Longevity isn't about babying your car, it's about balanced, controlled use. Here's the truth. Most mechanics won't say directly, a well-maintained car can easily cross 300,000 kilometers or more. Many engines are built to last decades. If you treat them right, it's not luck, it's habits. And now you know the ones that matter. So tell me honestly, which of these habits are you already doing and which ones surprised you? Drop a comment and let's talk about it. If this helped you save your car and maybe a few thousand in repairs, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more real-world tips like this.